Yo, NBA 2K25 Goat Festival Week 6. I accidentally opened the 100 overall option pack. We got Ray Allen, Clyde Drexler, Yijian Leon, Joakim Noah, and Chris Mullen. So we're going with Yijian Leon. That. And it's lagging. Where are we? So, we don't have the 100 option pack anymore. We got rhythmic pack, 100 overall packs, concourse packs, rhythmic packs, and 2 rhythmic 10 pack box. What I'm most excited about is this invincible pack, invincible guaranteed invincible pack from the locker code. So we already started, so we're gonna go with this rhythmic 10 pack box. Hope we can get something. Why is NBA 2K25 is so lagging? We don't have anything here. Fred VanVleet, second pack. Ooh, we get 100 overall. Okay. Where's the 100? I forgot the 100 overall in this rhythmic pack. Let's go. What's this? Why is it lagging? It's my internet or 2K's connection. Interior defense. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. Power forward from the Washington Wizards. Juwan Howard. Okay. We might use that card. All I'm saying is 2K, it's the end of NBA 2K25. And you gave us an invincible locker code. Cade Cunningham. Port pack. Should have been a goat pack. What the heck? George Niang, Jalen Williams. Yo, what's happening? Shaden Sharp. Emerald. TJ McConnell. Is it my internet or 2K's connection? Jordan Walls. 8 pack. Wow, they gave me 100 overall. Okay, we got a shake. Postpaid Phenom. What's this? Wizards logo. A Wizards jersey. Injury card. We got a dark matter. Where's this? Dark matter. Eastern. 98 overall. Center from Detroit Pistons. Darko Milicic. Okay. Another 100 overall. Okay, 200 overall in this pre-pack box. Pre-10 pack box. Who's this? Where's the other one? I think there's a good card, 100 overall card in this rhythmic pack. Eastern 99 post. Oh, don't tell me it's a duplicate. Oh, power forward from the Knicks. Who's this? Charles Oakley. Okay, I think it's not a duplicate. Last 10 pack box. Okay. Not bad. Larry Demick and my dang. Sales for 200,000, 2,020. What's that? What else? Rhythmic pack. Another rhythmic pack box. Rhythmic pack box. Are they gonna do season 9 this Friday? Zach Levine, then a shooter. I hope they give us a guaranteed gold card. Gold card on Friday. Just to end NBA 2K. Another dark matter. Okay, we got Dark Matter in the second pack. Invincible, they should have made it a gold card. An invincible card. Western, 98 3-point shot. Shooting guard from the Sacramento Kings. Omri Caspi. Third pack. Wow, so it's gonna be official. NBA 2K25 will end. Lindy Waters III. Without me pulling an invincible card or a gold card. Jalen Wells. Desmond Farmer. Fifth pack, okay. Emerald. Scotty Barnes. Pork March. Yeah. Oh, Dark Matter. So that's not shipping. I have this card on my casket. Ooh, back-to-back Dark Matter card. Back-to-back Omri Caspi. Fourth pack. Oh, Emerald. Jalen Boone. 9-pack. Sapphire. Jalen Brown. What's happening? 10th pack. Okay, 3 Dark Matters. Spencer Dinwiddie. My internet, what's happening, man? 10,001 on the MT. What? Why? Oh, we got two Dark Matters to sell. That's sellable. 10,001 MT. 10,100 MT. We got 69,000 MT now. Oh, let's see. Let's go with this best of my team pack. Best of my team pack. I didn't pull anything good from this. Galaxy Opal again. Oh, why is so lagging? Block 98. Center from Detroit Pistons. Ben Wallace. Ew. John Timori. Why am I lagging so much? 97 overall. It's the end of NBA 2K25 and we're lagging. What is this? What's this? It's Western 96 ball handle. Man. Point guard from the Sacramento Kings, the John Timori. The United Point. A center from the San Antonio Spurs. Wow. I'm not gonna pull Wemby this year. We're not getting pulling an invincible card or a gold card this year. Less than a month before NBA 2K26. Is this center from the Sacramento, from the Golden State Warriors, Will Chamberlain. Can you give me Wemby, man? What's this? Season 7 Super Pack. Season 7 Super Pack. What? Oh, okay. Galaxy Opal that I have. How much is this? 2,600 MT. We got 95 overall, 95 plus overall. Let's give me 8. Pick Diamond Wemby, okay. Pick Diamond Wemby. Hey, come on. Eastern, 94 close shot. Small forward from the Washington Wizards, Bob Dandridge. Okay. 97 plus overall. Galaxy Opal. Western 90 driving layup. Power forward from the... Ooh, Anthony Davis. Option pack. 99, just 99 overall, not an option pack. Pick one card. Come on. Might be. Ooh, Jokic. Gary Payton. Also Westbrook. I'll go with Jokic. Holo player. Oof, I don't have this card. Who is this? Western mid-range shot 96. Luka. Oh yeah, I can glitch Luka. Okay, I'll take that. I can play with this before NBA 2K26. 99 plus overall premium pack. Ooh, why is this? Oh, is this dark matter card shaking, man? Let's see. Western 99 mid-range shot. Luka again. Point guard. Ooh, Steph Curry. Whoa, Steph Curry. We got Steph Curry. Ooh, Fireworks Deluxe pack. It's guaranteed 99 overall. Oh, I have this card already. Rui Hachimura sells for 3,000 MT. Okay. Conquerors 99 plus overall. Goat Luka and Goat Anthony Davis. Ooh, I have this card. Well, Jeremy Sohan 3,000 MT. Just think of it. I pulled Galaxy of Anthony Davis and Luka Doncic. This rhythmic pack. Ooh, we don't have this card. Who is this? Come on. Eastern 95 agility. Shooting guard from the Cavaliers. Max Strus. Okay. Wow. 100 overall. Let's see. What's this? You open the 100 overall option accidentally. Open the 100 overall option pack on the first while we're setting up recording. Western mid-range shot. What's this? Shooting guard for Supersonics. Dale Ellis. Oh, I think I don't have that card. Oh, I don't. Okay. Another hot 300 overall. John Leon, Dale Ellis, and who's this? Come on. Western 99 agility. Shooting guard from the Sacramento Kings. Mitch Richmond. Oh yeah, I don't have that card right. Okay. We got we have 300 overalls that we don't have. We got Gigi and Leon, Mitch Richmond, and Dale Ellis. I'll take that. Whew. This is the Invincible card from the locker code. Come on, give me something that I will use before NBA 2K26 2K. Wait. Invincible glow. Let's see who's this. Who are you? Western 99 3-point shot. Oh, you. Oh, Zach LaVine. Okay, we'll take Zach LaVine. Not bad. I was expecting a big though. Where is he? What happening with my internet connection, man? So our best pool is Invincible, Zach Levine from the Invincible Locker Code.